Tap on the plus icon to create a payment link and choose the payment link option over here. On this window, you may select these choices if you want to sell a product, services, or a subscription to your client, or if it's some kind of donation, tipping, or any other payment, then you want to choose the other one below it. Then you can choose your product if you already have any. And if there is no product at all, click on add a new product right here. You may then add a new product. So starting from a name of the product, description, and an image of your product. Then at the pricing, you may select one-off. If it's a one-time pay, so your client or customer just have to pay one time and no other payment following. Or you can also select it to be recurring, where customers have to pay at a certain time, like daily or weekly. This pricing is usually used by those who are offering a subscription base. And then you may insert the prices over here as you intended and determine the billing period as you like. The billing period will consist of certain time like daily, monthly, or so on. So if you choose on the weekly, the customer will be charged every certain day of the week. You may also change the currency of your product from the USD to the Chinese yuan, Japanese yen, or another dollar like Brunei dollar, Australian dollar, or even a Canadian dollar. After all of that, click on Add Product button. On this page, you can edit the product quantity. Choose if the customer can modify how many products that they want to buy by doing a check mark on the Let Customer Adjust the Quantity option, or add another product at the same payment link. You can also recommend another product right here. So for example, if you're selling an iPhone or Samsung, you can always recommend a phone case for iPhone or your Samsung. You may also adjust the option over here, which are more appropriate for you. And then you may edit the preview of your payment link by tapping on this button to change preview on the desktop or on the mobile versions. After that, click on the Create Link button. And over here is your payment link of the product that you just added. You may click on this button with the page icon to copy the link, and to charge it to your customer, you can paste it anywhere, like on the WhatsApp chat, Facebook, Twitter chat, Telegram, or any other social media that you use. You can also send it by email if it's the way you do it. And then, when your client or customer open the link that you gave them, this is more or less what they will see. The client then can pay their money and you can get paid from that. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.